Hello everyone, I'm Nessie. Thanks you for joining my YouTube video about OLSP system and how you can make 10K, how you can make $10,000 every month in OLSP system. Okay, so first of all, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you see I have already 1,547 subscribers. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, just hit the subscribe button on the top and follow me on YouTube. Okay, let me show you in OLSP how you can make 10K or 3K or $3,000. So first of all, just want to document my process in OLSP. Right now I have $297.60 in my balance, and total commissions from the start $1,043.95, and this is my total earnings from the platform, and I can if I want, I can withdraw right now $224.85. Okay, and you can see all the payments that I got until here. Very trusted company and very solid, with a very honest and transparent owner. And I made a lot of videos about a few videos about OLSP, so you can scroll in my in the content list here on my YouTube channel, and you can see all the videos, my previous videos that I made about this amazing platform. So I'm really every day I'm really excited that I joined it, and I'm excited that I'm promoting it. So let's go to the leaderboards. Okay, so this is how you can, and of course this is not a business claim, or I'm just showing you how you can make 10K or $3,000 or $1,500. This is just for the example, and people are obviously making this through the leaderboard. So this is the leaderboard, and so as you know, like everything in life, also in affiliate marketing niche, your results may vary from person to person, so I can't promise you that you make these amounts, but I'm showing you how people are making it. Okay, so cool, guys. So this is the leaderboard, and every month we have monthly prizes. So the monthly prize spot, the total amount is $17,650, given by Wayne, the owner of OLSP, given to the top promoters, to leaders, if you call them. And here you can see all the. So at the end of the month, the person that gets the most amount of points. So for instance, right now, and we are at the end of the month, so he reached Claudia Lopez reached more than 15,000 points. So she's currently going to win the 10K, and Yvonne should win the $3,000. Okay, so the more you have, the more points you have, the more likely you will win the 10K every month. And this is real amounts. This is real paid to the members. But you have to just read on here on the. It's very small. Top prize only. We are talking about top prize only. First year commissions, so that means direct commissions for that person, must surpass prize money to win top prize. If under your earned first year commissions, then the first place prize money will equal your first year commission earned for the month. Okay, so let me explain this. So let's say Claudia made only $5,000 in direct sale. So even if she's on the first place as now, she will get $5,000. Okay, she won't get 10K because she needs to surpass revenue or sales, total sales for this month. she needs to surpass the 10K. So as I said, if she makes less, so she will get 5,000 or 6,000, whatever, depends on how much she sold in this month. Okay, so you have so you can earn 10K, 3K, $1,000, $5,000, depends on your place. So 20 people, so the amount, this amount, $17,650, is divided to all the winners. So even if you landed on place 20th, you still get $50. Okay. So for instance, Mooncam NG will get $50 if he stays in few hours where the month of February is going to end. So he will earn $50. Okay, and in addition to this, you should every month, in addition to the monthly prizes, we have 1 or 2 sales contests. So in this sales contest, you can earn points. So the contest ends in 5 hours, and it's just running now, as you can see. So the first place will get 50K points. So obviously James Fawcett can be the first winner, because all the points that you earn in the sales contents are at the end of the month, they are added to the monthly leaderboard. They are added to here. So if you get the 50K points, so obviously you will surpass Claudia and he will be on the first place, and he will earn the 10K. Hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, just ask me under this video. Okay. So every person that gets points over here in the sale contest, it's immediately moved to at the end of the contest, it moved to the total points, your total monthly leaderboard, your total monthly points, and this can increase your chances, obviously, to win, to be on the list of the 20 winners. Okay. Normally here you can most of the people here are top leaders in OLSP, and obviously Beverly, she's very famous in OLSP, and Vita V is also so they are mostly team builders or VIP. Their their level, their membership level in OLSP. Most of the people over here are really serious and action takers and go-getters, if you call them, and they have so they every month that's the same names normally are every month are on the leaderboard. Okay, so my goal is obviously also to land to be on the leaderboard, but it's not easy, of course. So now I'm going to show you how you can earn points. Okay, so if you win something, it will add it, and it will add it to your main balance, to your commission balance. If you win something, it will add it to here, and of course this is not including all the direct sales and tier 2 commissions that these guys are making. Okay, so obviously this is just a bonus added to their total sales commissions that they made through the months of February, for instance. Okay, so now I'm going to show you to conclude, and I will show you how you can earn points. If I go to my points, so this is how you can gain points, you can earn points. So this month my points are 1,302 points. This is what I have, and I'm on the 196th place, and my all-time ranking is 5,838 points, and I'm on the 182nd in OLSP. Okay, so this is how you can earn points. Okay, so of course you can participate in the sales contents to increase your points if you win something. So obviously this is one way to gain points, to earn points, but you get, okay, so you get for a new lead you get 3 points, for a new comment you get 1 point. If you log off and log in every day you get 2 points. New lead, as I said, new leads get you 3 points, and if you make a sale you get 50 points. So it's really, so when you make a sale, you not only you get a commission, but you can also earn 50 points when you make a sale. If you make a purchase, you get 20 points. So this is how you can generate points. This is how you generate, and all this competition is to, you know, to motivate the members to make more money, to make more sales. So everybody can benefit from this. So you can, and another one is, and the last thing is, you can do the tasks, and you earn points when they approve them. So if you click to earn points, so you can you have all the tasks here to make videos, to make. So this is the points you will be awarded if you make the mega link onboarding for. Just need to click on submit, see what the task is, and when you finish it you just need to submit it and put your proof over here and click on submit, and then it will be pending, and you can earn 50 points, 5 points, whatever, 10 points. So this is just another way to get more points. For instance, how is your OLSP experience? Okay, so you can do a video, a review about it, and you can get 5 points. Okay, so this was my video about how you can earn 10K or $3,000 or $1,500 and so forth, about the leaderboard and about the monthly prices. Monthly prizes awarded to the highest point scorers at the end of the month. So this is how you can earn points in addition to your commissions, guys. If you want to join my team, I will be happy to assist you. The link will be, my link to OLSP will be under this video, and also my Facebook. You can contact me after you sign up, and I can promise you that in addition to all the trainings that you have in OLSP, all the trainings that you have over here, you also get me as your private coach, private mentor if you want, and you can contact me whenever you want. And if you have any issues, and I also have my team to make the first sales. We are doing, I'm doing Zoom calls with them to help them, so you can, you are covered when you join me. And if you already join me and you stuck and you have, you need help, of course you can reach out to me, and I'm here to assist you. Okay, so the link will be under this video. I hope you find this very helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers, and thank you for watching. And I know this video was a bit long, but just I want to show you how you can win prizes in OLSP. Thank you, and I see you in my next video. Cheers, bye bye.